Good morning. Are you eating your breakfast? It looks like it. You're eating your broccoli. Mango's on top of the cage eating. And Blueberry's inside the cage and he's going to the top to eat. So one's eating from the outside and one is eating from the inside. Try not to make a mess, okay? Is that good? Yeah, it's very good. Looks like you're done, right? You're wiping your beak. Are you done? Yeah, you're wiping your beak. Mango's still working on it. Are you still working on your broccoli? That was good. Yeah, you're still working on your broccoli. It's interesting how one is on the outside, one's on the inside. But they both want the same piece. There's a lot of broccoli here. Hey, how about this piece? Huh? How about this piece here? Let me move this piece over. Good morning. They still like that small piece.